Hey all my dear students, I welcome you once again to your maths online class. Yes dear students, in my last lecture I have explained you question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 4.3 in which I have explained you how to solve the subtraction sums of integers. कैसे दो integers sums को subtract कर सकते हैं हम, and then I have explained you some of the problem sums in which the expression and the solution was asked. I hope both the questions of exercise 4.3 are clear to you, and if suppose you still have some doubt related to those questions, then I request you to please watch my previous video. And today I am all ready to give you the solution of the last exercise of this particular chapter, that is exercise 4.4. So without wasting any time, let's begin the solution, the explanation of exercise 4.4. So students, the first question of exercise 4.4 is find the absolute value of the following. Some parts are given in this question and it is asked to find the absolute value. Now this word is totally new for you all, absolute value. Now what is the absolute value? See, this question is the most simplest question of this exercise. ये question इस exercise का और इस पूरे chapter का सबसे simplest question है. बस एक बार आप समझ लीजिए, then you will find it very easy. Absolute value is basically the numerical value of the given integer. जो भी given integer होते हैं उसकी numerical value होती है irrespective of its sign. साइन नहीं देखा जाता है उसके साथ में क्या साइन है, आपको सिर्फ जो भी इंटीजर गिवन है, जो भी नंबर गिवन है, वही नंबर आपको आंसर में पुट करना है. इफ इट इज गिवन विथ नेगेटिव साइन देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू नॉट कंसिडर दैट साइन. इफ इट इज गिवन विथ पॉजिटिव साइन देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू नॉट कंसिडर दैट साइन. हाउ? इफ आई गिव यू टू एग्जाम्पल हियर, सी दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. ये जो है एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू का साइन है. दो पैरेलल लाइंस होती हैं जिनको कहा जाता है बार्स. ये बार्स हैं. इस बार्स के सेंटर में कोई भी इंटीजर प्लेस्ड है. लाइक मैं यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल ले रही हूँ -9. सो इन द सेंटर ऑफ द बार देयर इज इंटीजर -9. सो इफ इट इज आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस -9 देन इट विल बी 9. सो द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ -9 विल बी 9. आई सेड इट विल बी द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू इर्रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द साइन. सिर्फ नंबर रहेगा वहाँ पर, साइन की कोई नीड नहीं रहेगी आंसर के अंदर. ओके, अगर नेगेटिव साइन है तो भी वो पॉजिटिव में आंसर आएगा और अगर पॉजिटिव साइन है तो भी वो पॉजिटिव में ही आंसर आएगा. आंसर हमेशा आपका पॉजिटिव में आएगा. लाइक मैं यहाँ पर एक और एग्जाम्पल ले रही हूँ 19. राइट नाउ दिस 19 इज विथ no sign, that means it is with plus sign. So the absolute value of this 19 will be 19 only. So this will be the answer. Got it? So like this we have to solve all the parts of question number first. So let's begin with A part. Yes students, see, so the A part is in between the bars, it is -14. So how you will solve? Firstly you will write absolute value of -14 in the bars, and the answer will be what? It will be 14. So this will be the answer. Now see how simple it is, and in same way we have to do all the parts. Like in B part it is given 21. So you will be writing absolute value of, now the absolute value of 21 will come inside the bar. So outside the bar the answer will be only the numerical value, that is 21. Then similarly in C part it is 7. Only single number 7 is there. So again you will write absolute value of, you will put this 7 in the bar. So in the answer it will be only number 7. See how simple it is. I told you this is the simplest question of this chapter. Then D part. Now in D part it is -1491. So the absolute value, like this you have to write in all the parts. So absolute value of this minus 1491 will be only the numerical value. So the numerical value is 1491. It will be the answer. Then in E part, it is asked in the bars, the question is 72. So the absolute value of 72 is equal to 72 only. Fine. Then in F part, it is minus 548. So again, it is very simple. The absolute value of minus 548 is equals to only the numerical value, that is 548. Okay. Then in next part, it is minus 31. So the absolute value of minus 31 will be 31, only the numerical value. So that was G part. After G, it is H part. In H part, it is given plus 15. So the absolute value of plus 15 will be what? It will be only the numerical value 15. Okay. Then in next part, it is 57. Now I hope it is clear. So in same way you have to do all the parts. Like here 57, when it will come outside the bars, it will be 57 only. That means the numerical value here, it will be 57. Then in J part, it is plus 121. So when you will find the absolute value of plus 121, so it will be 121 only. Then after that, the last second part, K part, it is minus 70. Now it is with minus sign. So no matter whether it is plus or minus, the answer will come without any sign. So that will be absolute value of minus 70 will be 70. And the last part of question number first is 1248. So right now it is with no sign. So here also in answer it will come 1248. Fine students. So that is the simplest question to find the absolute value. The value given in the question will be in the bars and you have to take it outside the bars. So only the numerical value will come, no sign will come with that numerical value in the answer. Neither negative nor positive. So this is your question number 1. Yes students, let us now move on to the second question of this exercise, that is verify whether the following are true. Some equations are given of integers and we have to verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. If both the sides are equal, that means it is true. If both the sides are not equal, that means it is false. So one by one we have to solve it. So let's begin with A part. Okay, whenever verify word come in the question, then you understand that we have to see that left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So right now you can see in the bar. So first of all you have to, if there is a sign between the bar, no, then you have to solve it inside the bars only. So right now firstly you will solve this 7 and 2 inside the bar. So it is with plus sign. So 7 plus 2 will give you 9. So here you will write 9 and this side you have to directly take it outside the bar. इसका आप absolute value find out करेंगे. So the absolute value of 7 will be the numerical value 7 and the absolute value of 2 will be the numerical value 2. Now in the next step, now bring out this 9 outside the bar. So the absolute value of 9 will be 9 and here add these two numbers. So 7 plus 2 will be 9. So here you can see that LHS is equals to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means it is true. If both the sides are equal, so that means it is true. It is asked in the question. We have to find it out that it is true or false. Now let us move on to B part. So B part is here left hand side minus 3 plus 5, then the bar closed, other side bar open, minus 3 inside the bar plus again bar open, 5 inside the bar. Now start solving it. Left hand side minus plus. So I hope you remember the rule of integers. Minus plus is minus. So we have to subtract it. So 5 minus 3 will give you what? It will give you 2. And which is the greater number? Greater number is 5 here. Before 5 positive sign. So positive will come. No need to put positive here. Here minus 3, bring this minus 3 outside the bar. Absolute value of minus 3 will be only the numerical value 3 and the absolute value of 5 will be 5 only. Fine. Now in next step, absolute value of 2 will be 2 and here add 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Here you can see that LHS is not equal to RHS. यहाँ पर left hand side और right hand side equal नहीं है. So this will be what? It will be false. Fine. Now C part. C part is towards the left hand side, it is minus 8 plus small bracket minus 6, small bracket close and the bar closed. Then towards the right hand side, it is minus 3 plus again in the bar minus 5. So this is the next part. Start solving it. Firstly you will open the bracket inside the bar. Bar के अंदर जो bracket है पहले आप उसको open करोगे. So make the bar, write down minus 8 as it is plus outside the bracket minus inside the bracket. So plus minus is minus, one sign will come, then put 6 like this, close the bar. Now this side, absolute value of minus 3 will be only the numerical value 3, plus will come as it is and the absolute value of minus 5 will be 5 only. So 5 will come here. Now here inside the bar minus minus plus but sign minus. So ये दोनों plus होंगे but इसका sign minus ही आएगा. So 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So 14 will come inside the bar and here 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Next step, when you will open this bar, that means when you will find the absolute value of minus 14, it will be what? It will be 14 and other side it is 8. That means here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So the given part is what? It is false. It is not true. Now let us move on to next part, that is D part. It is in the bar 2 plus then in the bracket minus 7, close the bar. Other side, make the bar 2 inside the bar, then plus in the bar minus 7. So this is the question. Now in next step, first of all you have to open the bracket. So 2 will come as it is, plus outside the bracket minus inside the bracket. So plus minus will give you minus and other side 2. So absolute value of 2 will be 2 plus absolute value of minus 7 will be 7 only. So 7 will come here. Now here you can see that in the bars there is plus minus. So plus minus is minus. So 7 minus 2 will give you what? It will give you 5. But the greater integer is 7 here और 7 के पहले कौन सा sign है? Minus. So here also minus sign will come. And other side 7 plus 2 is equals to plus only. So it will be 9. And here the absolute value of minus 5 will be 5 and this side 9. Again you can see that LHS is not equal to RHS. That means it is also what? It is false. Got it? Now let us move on to E part. So in E part it is in the bar minus 15, then minus, open the bracket, minus 4 inside the bracket, close the bar, then minus 15 and minus 4. So this is the question E part. Start solving it. See, firstly open the bar and then this minus 15 will come as it is. Then open this bracket. So you can see that outside the bracket minus sign, inside the bracket minus sign. So minus outside, minus inside. So it becomes plus in the next step. So plus 4. And towards the right hand side, absolute value of minus 15. Minus 15 ki absolute value will be 15 only. In between minus sign is there. So that minus sign will come as it is. And the absolute value of minus 4 will be what? It will be 4. Plus 4. So no need to mention plus, direct 4 will come there. Now here you have to solve in the bracket minus plus minus. So 15 minus 4 will give you what? It will give you 11. Okay, and the greater integer is 15. So before 15 minus sign is there, so here you will put minus sign. And this side 15 minus 4, so 15 minus 4 plus minus minus 15 minus 4 is equals to 11, and the greater integer is 15, and before 15 no sign, that means plus only. Next step, you have to open this bars, that means to find the absolute value of minus 11, so it will be 11, and other side also you can see that it is 11. So LHS is equals to RHS here, that means it is true. So part E is true. Fine. Remember this thing, minus 15 will become 15 and minus 4 will become 4. Okay, this minus sign is the center sign which is there in the previous step. ये जो minus sign है, ये जो center वाला sign है वो यहाँ पर repeat हुआ है. बाकी 15 और 4 के साथ में जो minus sign था वो absolute value के साथ में remove हो गया. So that was 15 minus 4 directly. Okay, now let us move on to the last part of this exercise and this chapter also. It is minus 2 and minus 3, and other side it is in bracket minus 2 and then plus in bracket minus 3. Fine. So it start solving it. Inside the bar, firstly you will do the solution. Minus minus is plus but sign minus. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5, but the sign of minus will come here. And other side, when you will open the bracket firstly, so minus 2 will come here, plus outside the bracket, minus inside the bracket. So plus minus minus and 3 will come. So minus 3 will come there. Now open the bracket. Open the bars. Absolute value of minus 5. Only the numerical value, that is 5. And other side, solve it inside the bar. Minus minus plus but sign minus. So minus 5 will come here. Next step, you have to find the absolute value of minus 5. So left hand side already you have got 5, and towards the right hand side minus 5 is there inside the bar. So when it will come outside the bar, it will become 5 only. So again LHS is equals to RHS, that means it is also true. Okay students, so this was part A to part F of question number 2, and that was all about in exercise 4.4. First question, it was asked to find the absolute value, and the second question, it is asked to verify the given parts, and for verification you have to see that LHS is equals to RHS or not. So question number second is also depend on the absolute value. So if the absolute value is clear to you in question number first, then you can easily do this question number 2 also. Okay students, of chapter number 4, all the exercises we have done, and I hope all these exercises are clear to you. If you have doubt in any of the exercise, then I request you to please watch that particular exercise video again to clear your doubt. Okay students, and still if you face any confusion, any doubt, you can either contact me or you can leave the comment in the comment section, then I will solve your doubt in my next video. Fine students, so that's all for today. Now I will meet you back in next online class with one new topic. Okay, so till then you please complete all your work, and I will meet you back with the new topic in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you students.